Bupay nagpahulay ganina.
Natulog.
Okay, saan na to? Materials needed?
Ma'am, sa lips na lips.
Survey. Okay. Kapwa ng baba. Okay. After that is survey the scene if the scene is safe. If the scene is safe, then you are going to approach the crowd. Like kay Nani, no? So, introduce yourself. Hi, I am Sheena, a trained first aider. Can I help? Trained first aider. Can I help? So, if they will be allowed to help, if they will allow you to help the victim, then you're just going to touch na. Muna ng time i-touch na tong victim, ha? Ngayon, pag siya pa, tama ko! Labaan, di ka nagsundang niya. Okay, now we have here, check the responsiveness by tapping the sole of the victim twice. Hey baby, are you okay? Hey baby, are you okay? So the baby is not responding. So meaning, possible jud na nag-check cardiac arrest kay di man siya gatubag, di po siya galihok. So, you're just going to activate medical assistance or call 911. You let the bystanders na dili mag-marites liha, no? Dili mag-video lang. So, imo siya yung, hey, you call for help. So, call 911. And then, after that one is, while waiting for the help to arrive, kadugay-dugay pa man sad, then you will going to check the ABC. A stands for airway, B breathing, C circulation. So when you say airway, you check the airway for any obstruction, head tilt, chin lift maneuver, in a neutral position kay baby mani. If there is an obstruction, finger sweep using your little finger in a circular motion away from you. If there's none, then you're just going to proceed to checking the breathing for 10 seconds in an LLF position. Look, listen, and feel. Look for the chest rise and fall. Listen for the breathing sound. And feel if there is air coming from the air passageway against your cheek. If, for example, naana na siya, imo na siyang position, then you're just going to count 10 seconds. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Victim negative breathing, you give 2 initial blows. Giving mouth to mouth and nose, including the nose, kaya dako man tagbaba nose. Pwede ra, kung dako-dako, gini mo ba apila ko.
Sugod. Tulang ulo.
Arang na pang tiyan. Then you give 2 blows and then you do the LLF after each blow. Hello? LLF na pud ka. Kaya ba sinday na ginawa ra siya? Tagaan yung sa oxygen. And then after that one is wala negative, then you check the circulation. Circulation pertaining to pulso. Pulso gani sa bata, dinhi ta sa brachial pulse magkuha. Dili dinhi sa rate sa imong carotid. Dili ta sa brachial, then count 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Victim negative breathing, negative pulse. So cardiac arrest, then you're just going to locate the compression site. Sa baby is slightly below the middle nipple line. If ang nipple dire, kay baby man eh, pero kung tigulang na ang nipple na dire.
Yak.
Slightly below the middle nipple line, using your thumb, pwede ra ang index, pwede ra ang middle. Ang akong gagamiton, kaming tulo. Pero pwede ra kung mo gamit ani. Nung muna inyong gamiton pag compression, ayaw ni. Kaya once inyong gamiton, lata ang dugan. Bawang ko sa inyo So,
Lata ang dugan.
So, lata ang dugan. This one here, and the middle and the ring finger. Akong gagamiton. Pero pwede ra po ni, depende sa inyong choice. Then, slightly below the middle nipple line. If this is the middle nipple line, dini ka slightly below. And then you will going to support the head and give 30 chest compressions, 2 blows in 5 cycles with a depth of 1 to 1.5 inch and a rate of 100 to 120 per minute. Bahala na mo sa inyong mga kinabuhi. Basta kayo muna na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1. Ayaw mo pag pag-compress ng ingon ana, depende na lang kung na may killer nails. Buwan ko sa inyo ha. Kung may mga killer, di ba good man kay bago pa magud niya ako
Extension.
makasayang. So ana siya mo na siya ha. And then you're going to give 2 blows man. So every blow LLF ka. So 1, then LLF 2, LLF. Okay, then another one, 5 cycles, 5 cycles. Okay, 5 cycles yun.
So,
Okay,
50
so,
ka na?
5, hindi, 5 cycles lang. Ana, then,
Pinabalik ng mga
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2. So, muna siya, number 2 na. So, meaning ka na mga N1, N2 pertaining sa cycle. N3, N4, N5. So, sa inyong pag-rep them, 5 cycles yun. No, para makuha na to, yun ka naman mag-practice yun. And then, after that one, is you see signs of life. So, nakita ni mo nga, murag nilihok na ang patient or may ubo na ba si baby. Then, you will going to let the patient place into a recheck pala ka, recheck. Recheck the baby breathing and circulation. Duha na. Tingnan siyang idungan. 10 seconds ka. Kaya na lang siya signs of life to make sure lang na dili na siya mag-negative. So, 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Victim recovered, positive breathing, positive pulse. Then place the victim in a recovery position, which is very familiar to you. Kaya mo rin yung mga very pain position ka. So shoulder hold position, and give 5 soft back rubs to stimulate blood circulation and relaxation. And then tummy to tummy position, just to feel the warmth of your body, no heat ni mo ba. Then, after that one, is you're going to let the baby sit. So, 5 soft back rubs yapon. And then, after that, you're just going to, pag demo ninyo, ani, you can use your gloves. No? Kung gusto nyo mas social, gusto nyo, pwede gloves. Example, nakadala mo gloves, pwede mo mag-gloves while hahatag o compression. Pwede. It's because maghikap mo sa patient. So, nagka-gloves mo, so you will going to do the secondary assessment, which is the DCAP BTLS, DCAP BTLS, DCAP BTLS, DCAP BTLS. What is DCAP BTLS? D stands for deformity or discoloration. There will be, basi na siya yung mga C, contusion, or mga bruising ba? Bruises. Then, after that, na kay mga abrasion, mga garas niya diha, kita nimo. And then, puncture or penetration, bali ng anak, mga tusok na siyang lawas. And then, B, burns or bleeding. And then, T, tenderness, hikapon nimo kay mo, siyabaw siya, hila. And then, that's tenderness. L, laceration, yung mga cuts. And S, there's swelling, mga hubag. So, after that, if the other trained professionals, like physician mo abot, you are going to report na naana siya ko andurido, naana dok, ako na siya ni secondary assessment. Okay? Then after that one, you will going to state the reason why you stop the CPR. That's why you should worry. STOPS, stops means spontaneous sign of life. So there's spontaneous sign of circulation. Buhi na siya, kaya naman siya positive breathing, positive pulse. There will be T stands for turned over to other trained professionals. Kung abot na ang mga rescuer, hatag sa ilang dahil, makahiro dahil. Ano ba yun? Oh, no! Number O, operator becomes exhausted. Ikaw, kita kag-star diha, as before ka makuyapan, kay isa ra ba yung giingon nga casualty, kasing pag-abot nila, ikaw nabilin. Kay, buwa ka nasigo.